Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about a hair extension brand that I absolutely love and have been using for quite some time now. And I've made a video about this before, but I wanted to make another video because I just really want to talk about why these extensions are so good and why I really recommend them for you. So this is by Laavoo, and this is the box that these came in. I am already wearing them today, and it tells you everything about how to take care of them in the box. It tells you how to brush them, how to style them, how to even, like, if you want to color treat them or curl them. It tells you exactly how to maintain them, and these are just so great. I get these on Amazon. They were so nice to send me these for free so I could review them for you guys, but I have reviewed a pair before this and I absolutely loved them, and they're still good to this day, and I've had them for about a year now. So they are absolutely beautiful. They hold very well, and these ones are just so soft. They're so healthy feeling. They don't feel super dry or anything like that. There are some extensions I've had in the past that just feel horrible, whether they're human hair or synthetic, which these are 100% human hair, so I absolutely love these because you can style them, you can color them, curl them, however you want. So the color I ordered, I'm gonna place it on the screen right here because it has like numbers and slashes and stuff, so I don't want to get it wrong. And I'll also place a link of which one I got down below. I just recently dyed my hair because I want to go for more of a fall vibe, so I wanted like a touch of like a blonde color without being too light because I didn't want to over damage my hair. So I did used to have like an auburn red, but now I'm going for more of like a beigey ash blonde, and this is exactly the perfect match for my hair. I'm so happy with it. Now, as far as the quality, it is absolutely beautiful. These are such good extensions. I highly recommend them. So that's the first thing, is it's really great quality. Number two is they're super affordable. You can get these hair extensions on Amazon. They're about, I want to say maybe 50 and up, depending on which ones you get. The ones I have today would retail for about $70 more or less, depending on what color you get and what length you get. So for these hair extensions, it's great because you can pick different lengths. There's a bunch of different color options, which is so nice because when I was shopping for my hair to figure out what color I wanted them to send me, this is the one I feel like matched my hair the most. And the great thing too is even if they don't have your hair color that you want in stock, you can always buy like a blonde hair color and just dye it yourself. That's what I did with my first pair that I have from this brand, and it worked amazingly. Like, my hair came out exactly the same as, you know, how I dye my own hair. So that is one thing to keep in mind. Like, if you don't see a color that matches your hair, it's not game over yet. You can always dye it yourself, or you can take it to a stylist if you don't feel 100% comfortable about dyeing it yourself. But for me, I feel like it was super easy and I got it to match my hair just fine. So point number 4 with these hair extensions is they're super easy to use, which I love because I was always a clip-in extension girl. I tried using like glue-ins before. I didn't like them. I tried using like the little nano bead ones. I didn't really like those either, just because I felt like it was pulling my hair and stuff. So these were so different for me because these are a halo hair extension, which is very different. The application process is so much faster. It's not, you know, pulling at your hair all day and making you feel uncomfortable. These feel so light and weightless. Like, I don't feel like I'm wearing extensions right now. So I will show you how I take them out, and I'm going to show you also how I put them back in my hair. So there are 2 clips on the back of the head, and then there's a little string. And I'll just pull this out here for you, and you're going to see the length of my actual hair. So this is my hair without the extensions, and you can already see a huge difference. My hair is significantly shorter and also thinner. So that's why I like to wear extensions sometimes, just to kind of amp up my hair a little bit when I feel like being a little sassy, you know, having the extra length and all. This is my natural hair, and then here is the extension. The hair is so soft. It's so beautiful. Like, the quality I think is just amazing. I've paid more for hair extensions that were not even nearly half as good as this one. But these are so affordable and they feel absolutely amazing, and these last a long time. Like, the first pair I have, it'll probably last for another couple of years. The only reason I can't use them is just because they're different color unless I dye them again. But yeah, these are just so good and I just absolutely love it. The ease of application, which I'll show you in a second, is just incredible. So I'm gonna come a little closer so I can show you guys more detail. So there's 2 clips right here, and there's like this weft where they're sewn, but it's super flat. So when you're wearing these, you don't see all these wefts sticking out of your hair, which I used to have that issue when I wore clip-in extensions. It was just a nightmare sometimes to cover them because you can totally see, you know, this like bulge like coming out of your head, because sometimes extensions just don't lay flat. They're just kind of annoying. But these ones are so flat. I wouldn't say they're paper thin, but they're pretty close to it, like as thin as it can be without being, because this has a lot of hair, so it's not super thin, which is nice. but the top is thin, so it doesn't look super bulky. You get the point. But this is the hair, and it's just beautiful. Like, look at that color. And this already came colored like this. I didn't have to change anything about this hair color. It just already came like this, which is great. So you can see the hair, I'm kind of like with the lighting, so you can see just the definition of color. It does have like a slight ombre vibe going, so it's like a little darker on the top, and then it comes down to this beautiful like beigey ash blonde. So I absolutely love these. And then this is a string I was talking about, so it's kind of like a little fish wire. It's very soft, it doesn't feel like scratchy or anything. So the way that this works is it's kind of like a headband in a sense. So you're gonna have the little string hanging up here, and then you're gonna have the clips in the back to secure it. It is so comfortable. It's one of the most comfortable hair extensions I've ever used. So I'm gonna apply this really quick to show you how easy it is and simple and fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little hair clip to put these on. So I have a little hair clip so I can put my hair up. So what I like to do is, if you see my hairline here, I'm going to pick up just around the crown. So I like lift up. So I'm gonna go probably around here and just put my fingers around the top of my head, and just the top of my head only, and just pick up that hair like so. And then I'm just going to clip it up for just a second. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna grab my extension, I'm gonna whip her around, and then I'm gonna line up the little string with the parting that I just did, and I'm gonna secure it in the back. There we go. So I've got this little string here lined up, and then I'm just gonna take my hair down, and then just kind of with my fingers I just like kind of comb it through. You can use a hairbrush just gently on the hairline so it doesn't disturb the hair too much, but this is how fast it was to apply my hair. It's literally the craziest thing ever. It's the closest you'll get to magic with hair extensions ever. So this is really what was revolutionary for me, because usually it takes me about, on a good day, maybe 10 minutes to put in clip-in extensions, but this is way faster, and it looks practically the same, if not better, with the blend of my hair. And my hair is not even cut like with layers or anything, it's just like a blend cut, and it still manages to blend with my hair better than some of my clip-ins could. And like I said, there's a lot of color range that you could choose from, there's a lot of lengths you can choose from, and again, if they don't match your hair color, then you can always just dye them yourself or take them to a stylist and they'll be more than happy to dye them for you. But yeah, this is how my hair looks after installing it. Super easy. Again, the hair's super soft, super flowy, and it literally takes whatever shape I put. Also, I love that these turn naturally curly when you wash them, because I have naturally curly hair, so they actually blend in with my hair even if I don't style them at all. They have like a natural wave to them, which is beautiful. But if you don't want that natural wave, you can always just curl it or straighten it, and it stays. Like, the curls stay really nice. The curls actually hold better than my own hair, to be honest. And I don't put a bunch of hairspray because I don't like my hair feeling crunchy, so these do hold curl even if you don't put hairspray, so I love that. And I'm in Texas where it's humid, so the fact that these curls last all day is just crazy to me. I'm gonna turn around really quick so you can see the back of my hair. So definitely, if you're a new person to extensions and you're kind of scared or not sure how to use them, these are the most user-friendly, especially for beginners, and I really recommend these because of the quality. The ease of putting them in is just incredible, and the price is right, definitely in this case. So I definitely recommend you guys to try these if you haven't already. I'll be linking all the information on these down below, and I also want to say a big thank you to Laavoo, because they are the ones who were so kind to send these to me and to be able to try these for you guys again. This is the second time having these, and I absolutely love them. And this is not sponsored in any way. I genuinely love these hair extensions. So with that all being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope that this kind of helps you decide if you want to try something like this in the future, or if this is something you've already tried. Let me know how you like it and what you think about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. You're amazing, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.